Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can hard reset to a tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, switch off a tablet. For that, just long press this power button. Just long press and power off options will appear. Click on power off, again click on power off. The tablet will be switched off. You will experience one vibration, then you can understand that your tablet is switched off. Now use power button and volume up button together to initiate hard reset. These two buttons are available on the right side. Just press them and hold them together to initiate hard reset. Until hard reset menu appears, just hold these two buttons. Yes, hard reset menu has appeared now, and here you go to select the option. For selecting, use volume down key. So if you press volume down key, it will move down and keep on wipe data factory reset here, and for confirming, use power key. Here you go to keep again factory data reset, second option, and confirm with power button. Yes, hard reset is going on. Just wait. Yes, hard reset has been completed, and now you go to select the first option, reboot system now. Just select reboot system now, and your tablet will be reset, and you go to set everything from the scratch. Yes, it has been reset, and now you can set up your tablet like a fresh one. Select the language and accept this terms and conditions, and click on next. Click on next. Click on skip. If you don't want to connect to Wi-Fi, just skip. Wherever possible, just use skip. And here also I would like to press on skip. I will let us sign in into Google account. Click on next. Accept terms and conditions from Google. Click on skip. You can later set your pattern, pin, or your privacy password, etc. Get recommended apps. Just click on next. Click on skip. Click on skip. Click on finish. Yes, basic setup is complete, and now you can set up your phone like setting up a pattern, a pin, or whatever you want. Your phone is ready to use. Sorry, your tablet is ready to use. So in this way, you can easily hard reset your tablet. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.